What is up, guys? Happy Halloween. I'm Jaythestingray, and I got a quick video for you. This is a package I found when I was moving some stuff around in my room up here, and it's from 2015, so from September of 2015. So I figured we'll open this up and see what it is, because I'm getting close to getting my posters organized, so look forward to a video of that. I think this may be a poster. I'm not 100% sure, but all right. So I can find a way to open this thing. Yeah, I have no idea what this is, so it will be very interesting to see. Felt kind of like a poster or something. That's why I was thinking that may be what it is. Yeah. Oh, it's more than one. Okay. Oh man. Oh fuck yeah. Got some damage to it, but you guys may not can tell, but that's a Sentinel one sheet. Got a little boo-boo over here on the corner, but should look fine when it's all framed up. Awesome. Like I said, man, I've got so many posters, I don't know what I have. That's a lot of the problem. So that's very cool. Ah, I love this movie. Totally forgot I ordered these. See, Demon Seed with Julie Christie. You guys can see some of it there. There's that part of it. It's a great movie if you guys haven't seen it. Julie Christie carries the Demon Seed. And not in perfect condition. Got some fold marks. If you guys can see it, that's the problem with these folded posters. If you keep them folded for so long, they start to get holes where the folds are. But anyway, very cool stuff. So look forward to a poster collection, thorough poster collection coming soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.